Menlo Security is exceptional at research, and I know recently you released a report on user behavior as it relates to the generative AI platforms that are taking over the world right now. We know there's an inherent risk of data exposure, but what can we learn, and why is that important from the reports that you're putting out like that?
There's been so much advancement in the last year, and the research team has discovered so much. It's sort of hard to come up with just the two things. But I think that um, maybe the two most important things are that we've seen file uploads as something that gets alerted on increased by 80% in just the last couple months. So I think as the Gen AI services become more mainstream, as they gain more feature functionality and they're more numerous, folks are adopting them into their daily work. And now they're like, oh, I can upload a file. So I can take this, say it's a spreadsheet, say it's a document, say it's, hey, proofread this for me, or can you change the context that you have that you have with the model and now have it produce something different because you put in a bunch of information. That's resulting in more information leaking out, and we see that half the time, maybe it's a third of the time, we see that PII is in that information, which creates risk for the enterprise. So I think it's critical to get control over the use of Gen AI without hampering its use and without trying to chase the latest service that's popular. Just yesterday, I used a new service. This was after hours. I asked it to draw a picture of my dog. It did a really good job. I don't even know how. And I think that's important to think about because that personal use was so impactful. I'm going to find a way to use that model in my work.